Hi, if your brightness slider is not working in Windows 11 or completely missing, then don't worry. In this video, I will show you a simple method to fix it using just a quick system tweak. So what's the issue? You might be facing things like brightness slider not responding, brightness option missing, or screen stuck too dim or too bright. This usually happens because some essential Windows services are disabled or not running properly. So let's fix it step by step. First, press Windows plus R on your keyboard. Type services.msc and then hit enter. This will open the Windows Services Manager. Now scroll down and look for these services: Display Enhancement Services, Sensor Services, Sensor Monitoring Service, and Sensor Data Service. These services helps Windows adjust brightness dynamically, especially on laptops. For each service, double click on it. Set startup type to automatic. Click start if the service is stopped. Now click apply and then click on OK. Do this for all the listed services. In most cases, fixing these services solves the issue instantly. Once you have enabled everything, restart your computer. After rebooting, try adjusting your brightness again. If it still doesn't work, update your display drivers or reinstall your graphics driver from Device Manager. Here's a detailed tutorial on brightness not working and display drivers related issues. So I hope this guide was helpful for you. If you have any questions or any advanced guide, then please let us know. Please like, comment, share. We need your support. And guys, please don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.